Hi, welcome to another video. So, as you all know, Claude Fable 5 is out, and it's basically the best model that you can use right now. It's Anthropic's new Mythos class model that sits above Opus, and it's just insanely good at coding and agentic tasks. But there's one big problem with it: the pricing. Anthropic's top-tier models have never been cheap, and this one is no different. If you're using it through the API, your bills can rack up really fast. And I know that a lot of students watch this channel. You guys keep telling me in the comments that you want to try these new models, but you just can't afford to pay for them, which is completely fair, to be honest. Not everyone has a credit card lying around, and not everyone can drop $20 or $200 on a subscription just to test a model. So in this video, I'm going to show you a few ways in which you can use Fable 5 and some other top models completely for free. These are not permanent unlimited options, obviously. Nobody is going to give you unlimited Fable 5 for free forever, but these are more than enough to at least give it a proper try and see what all the hype is about. So let's get right into it. The first option is ZenMux. ZenMux is an AI model router, kind of like OpenRouter, where you get access to a ton of models from different providers through a single API. And right now, they are hosting a free endpoint for Claude Fable 5. It's listed as Claude Fable 5 free on their site, and I'll leave the link in the description below. This is the full model. You get the complete 1 million token context window, which is just amazing for a free endpoint. It also accepts text, images, and file inputs, so you're not getting some stripped-down version here. The other great thing is the API compatibility. This endpoint supports the chat completions format, the messages format, and the responses format. So whether your tool talks in the OpenAI style or the Anthropic style, it should just work. That means you can plug this into basically anything. You can use it in Cline, RooCode, Aider, OpenCode, or any other tool that lets you set a custom base URL and API key. You just sign up on ZenMux, grab your API key, set the base URL to the ZenMux endpoint, and select the Claude Fable 5 free model. And that's it. You're good to go. Now, keep in mind that free endpoints like this always come with rate limits, so don't expect to run some crazy overnight agentic workflow on it. Also, with free endpoints in general, your prompts may be used for training or analytics by the provider. So don't send anything sensitive through it. Take it with a grain of salt and treat it as a testing playground, not your production setup. Anyway, now let's come to the second option, which is also on ZenMux. They also have a free endpoint for Claude Sonnet 5. Now, you might be thinking, why would I use Sonnet when Fable is right there for free? Well, the thing with free flagship endpoints is that they get hammered by everyone, so the Fable endpoint might be slow or rate limited when you need it. The Sonnet 5 free endpoint is a really good fallback for that. And honestly, Sonnet 5 is not some weak model. It's Anthropic's most agentic Sonnet yet. It can plan, use tools like browsers and terminals, and work autonomously on complex tasks. It also comes with the same 1 million token context window on this free endpoint. For most day-to-day coding tasks, Sonnet 5 is more than enough, and you can save the Fable endpoint for the harder problems. The setup is exactly the same ZenMux account, same API key. You just switch the model to Claude Sonnet 5 free. So you basically get 2 free Anthropic models from a single sign-up, which is pretty good for sure. Now, let's talk about the third option, which is Verdant. Verdant is an AI coding agent that I've covered on this channel before. It comes as a desktop app, and there are also extensions for VS Code and JetBrains. It's one of those tools that can plan, code, and verify with multiple agents working in parallel. The reason it's on this list is their free trial. When you sign up, you get 100 free credits for 7 days, and no credit card is required to start. With those credits, you get access to Claude Fable 5, Opus 4.8, Sonnet 5, GPT 5.5, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GLM 5.2, and Kimi K2.7 Code. So it's not just Fable. You can literally test all the current frontier models in one place and compare them yourself. The difference here is that ZenMux gives you a raw API, while Verdant gives you a full coding agent experience out of the box. So if you don't want to mess around with API keys and base URLs, and you just want to open an app and start building something with Fable 5, this is the easier route. All 100 credits won't last forever, obviously. It's a trial. But it's enough to run a few real projects through Fable 5 and actually see how it performs on your own code instead of just reading benchmarks. And there's one more thing here that's great for students. Verdant supports BYOK and BYOAO even on the free plan. That means bring your own key or bring your own account. So here's a little trick. You can take that free ZenMux key we just talked about, plug it into Verdant, and keep using the app even after your trial credits run out. You're combining a free interface with a free model endpoint, and your total cost is still $0. This is kind of awesome. If you eventually do have some budget, their starter plan is $19 per month, and right now they're running a limited time bonus where you get 480 credits instead of 320. It also includes an eco mode, which lets you keep working with lower cost models without consuming any credits at all. So even the paid entry point is quite reasonable compared to what some other tools charge these days. So to sum it all up, if you just want the raw model for free, go with the ZenMux endpoints, Fable 5 free for the heavy stuff, and Sonnet 5 free as your daily driver. If you want a proper agentic coding tool without any setup, grab the Verdant trial. And if you want the best of both worlds, Use Verdant with your ZenMux key through BYOK. If you ask me, the fact that a student with no budget can be running the best model in the world right now with a 1 million token context window without paying a single dollar is honestly amazing. When I started this channel, getting access to frontier models for free was basically impossible. One last thing, free endpoints and trials like these tend to disappear or change without warning. So, if you're watching this video a few months after it's out, some of this might have changed. Check the links in the description for the current status. Overall, it's pretty cool. Anyway, let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you liked this video, consider donating through the Super Thanks option or becoming a member by clicking the Join button. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, bye.